I was broken from a youngest, taking my soak into the masses. Writing my poems for the few that look at me, talk to me, shaking me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain. Take up my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the